What is up, everybody? Sorry that I haven't been posting again. I'm sorry. So as you cannot see my face right now. It's cause I don't know. Really don't know how to use OBS Studios. I'm still using Loom, but yeah, this one. So today my project will be the Grimace shake. It is as a trend in TikTok, YouTube, everywhere now. And so I'm gonna, see what happens to this cat right here. Seems it's poorly hurt by the grimace. Okay, let's test it. Hello everyone, today we are going to try the grimace shake. But first let me go order it first. Now that we got it, it's time to drink it. Happy birthday, Grimace. That was good. And nothing please subscribe to help me. Yeah, subscribe to help him, guys. Subscribe!